Most common English pronunciation: Aqua Vitae, or American English Aqua Vitae, also Aqua Vitae. Latin pronunciation: Aqua Vitae. Most common English pronunciation: Aqua Vitae, or American English Aqua Vitae, also Aqua Vitae. Latin pronunciation: Aqua Vitae. Most common English pronunciation: Aqua Vitae, or American English Aqua Vitae, also Aqua Vitae. Latin pronunciation: Aqua Vitae. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.